To port your number from AirTalk Wireless, you'll need your account number and a transfer PIN. Your account number is a 10 to 12-digit identifier, not your phone number. You can find it on your bill in the AirTalk app or by logging into your online account. The transfer PIN is a 6 to 8-character alphanumeric code used to authorize the transfer, preventing unauthorized porting. It's designed to prevent unauthorized porting. To get these, use the AirTalk app or website, which now often requires multi-factor authentication for security. Be cautious of scams and never share your PIN with unsolicited contacts. Remember, these credentials are required to initiate the port-out process with your new carrier. As of 2025, you can get these credentials within 5 business days or less. Once you have your AirTalk Wireless account number and transfer PIN, the fast port-out process typically takes 1 to 3 business days, but can take up to 7. Share this information with your new carrier to start the porting process. Before porting, ensure your AirTalk account is in good standing and settle any outstanding balances. For security, AirTalk never asks for full payments or personal info via unsolicited calls. Keep in mind that the transfer PIN is time-sensitive and will expire. With the rise of digital porting, AI is increasingly used for fraud detection, potentially making port-outs even faster in the future. Always use official AirTalk channels to avoid fraud and ensure a smooth transition to your new carrier.